Welcome to Dash Cam Drama, the front line of the open road, where velocity meets sheer mayhem. Every mile unleashes a new shockwave, bone-rattling crashes, split-sec escapes, and moments so unreal, you'll replay them twice. Strap in tight because this isn't a simple ride, it's an unstoppable surge of adrenaline tearing down the highway. From the camera recording at a resident's house, it shows that the car is likely speeding and cannot control its speed. At the intersection, no car slows down and looks. Many accidents happen here. Everyone going to the intersection should slow down and look carefully. According to the camera, it is likely that the truck driver was driving at high speed and did not have time to react. Luckily, no one was injured. A car speeding on the highway suddenly lost control and crashed into the median strip, nearly causing disaster for the cars behind. The incident happened recently in New York City, USA. Looking at the car like that, and the man is still intact. What a great blessing. Remember this blessing, live well, and do good deeds. To be blessed by God. You drove on the merging road like it was your own. Good luck this time. There won't be a next time. I wonder what grudge that Mercedes guy has that made him act like that. Everyone should remember to be patient when going out. Based on the dashcam footage, we are unable to determine the cause of the incident. Pending police investigation of the incident, safe driving, everyone. It appears to be a botched snatch and grab. You'll notice the driver's door was open and the passenger's door was ajar. Fortunately, they overshot the mark and wedged both doors. It probably wasn't their car. The driver was carrying heavy goods and driving through a sharp intersection, causing the car to overturn. Fortunately, no one was injured. According to the image from the dashcam, the container truck driver was in the vehicle's blind spot, making him unable to see. A funny situation, the previous accident was not yet resolved and then another one happened. Everyone go slowly and observe at the intersection. The situation was too unexpected for the container truck driver. Luckily, no one was injured. It was raining, the road was slippery, and the driver lost control. Luckily, no one was injured. A terrible accident when the dump truck driver lost control of his speed and steering. I hope everyone is safe. Looking at the imbalance from front to back, it was right that it capsized. Luckily, no one was hurt. Dashcam footage shows that the car driver likely lost control at high speed. Luckily, he was not seriously injured. Where can you run to escape so stubborn, my friend? Best to obey the law. You've just witnessed those unfiltered moments where fate collides head-on with fury. Powerful reminders that every turn on the road is shaped by split-second choices. Stay sharp, stay alive, because your awareness is the strongest armor you'll ever carry. Like, share, and subscribe as we plunge even deeper into the hidden chaos roaring across the world's wildest highways.